In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable survey ready to gather responses from your audience. Start by opening Mailchimp and heading to the home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and workspace, especially if you manage multiple brands. From the main navigation, click Audience. This is where Mailchimp keeps your contacts and engagement tools, including surveys, so everything you collect can tie back to your audience data. Inside Audience, select Surveys. This takes you to the survey area where you can manage existing surveys and create new ones. Click Create New Survey to begin. You'll be prompted to give your survey a name. Pick something clear and internal, like a project name or campaign, so it's easy to find later. Don't worry, this name is mainly for your reference. Click Begin to open the survey builder. You'll see a starter layout. Click into the default question area, often labeled something like, "What would you like to learn?" to start customizing it. If you want to add a new question, use the plus icon. This opens the question type menu. Choose radio buttons for this example. Radio buttons allow respondents to select only one answer, which is useful for questions where you want a single definitive choice. Type your question clearly and concisely. Aim for one idea per question so the answers are reliable. Next, add your first answer option in the option field. Keep options mutually exclusive to avoid confusion. To create another option, click the plus to add option, then type your second option. Add as many options as you need, but try to keep the list focused so respondents don't feel overwhelmed. If you plan to analyze results later, consistent phrasing will make reporting cleaner. When you're happy with your question and options, click Continue to Design. This section lets you refine the look and feel so it matches your brand. Use readable fonts and high contrast colors to improve accessibility and completion rates. Keep the layout simple. The goal is to reduce friction so people finish the survey. Next, click Review. This is your chance to double-check spelling, question logic, and any required fields. Make sure your question type fits your intent and that the options cover all reasonable answers without overlap. When everything looks good, click Continue. Your survey is now set up and ready for the next steps, like sharing and collecting responses. With these steps, you've created a clean, professional survey in Mailchimp that's easy for your audience to complete and easy for you to analyze.